Hi, this is Mark Shotrock. I'm going to do an updated video on how to set up Find Me, Follow Me, and we're going to throw in how to do speed dials on your individual phones. So you can do it as an admin and you can do it as a user. If you're an admin, you simply go to portal.startstar.com, log in, find the phone system you're looking for, and this will be your home screen. And you will scroll down to left down to individual phone settings. Find the user you want to set up. In this case, I'm just going to use my desk phone. Remember, if you've got apps and desk phones, always be sure to pick the desk phone. If you're a user, when you log into portal.startstar.com, this will be your home screen right here. You'll just see your extension and maybe your smart app if you have one. You won't see any of this on the side. But from here on out, it's all the same. Looking real quick, you can see my phone status is black there, which means the phone is working. I've got my voicemail to email turned on, and I currently don't have Find Me, Follow Me turned on. It's off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to Find Me, Follow Me. I'm going to enable it. And since I've already had mine on before, it's currently set up for Find Me All. So going across these systems right now, Find Me immediately, basically your phone is never going to ring. It's going to ring wherever you forward it to. In this case, my app or an outside number. Okay, and I can change it right. I can change that information right here. So I want my app to ring. Click on that. I want my phone to ring. I click on that and hit the save changes, and then save changes to here. If you want Find Me sequential, it's kind of like a cascading one. I don't use it. I don't recommend it. Some people might like it. If you do it, be sure to play with the timers to make sure it works good for you. So what you can do is you can have it ring your extension here, and then after 10 seconds, which is not, it's like almost a ring and a half, you might want to make that about 12, 15, 16 seconds. Ring there, and then go to another location, another location, another location, another location. But remember, all these timers add up. Calling parties are probably going to stay on a phone call ringing probably for about 30 seconds max nowadays. So, do 12 seconds here, 12 seconds there, and be done. Get rid of all the other ones down here. Don't use them. All right, and you can use this. Hey, you're being forwarded. You can do a short version. It'll announce to the calling party, please hold while we try and find your party, but and it just keeps on going and going and going. But the most common, 99.9% of the time, it's going to be Find Me All. And that's where you're going to put in the number. It's going to ring this desk phone and whatever I put here at the same exact time. And I have multiple choices. So let's say I'm working, I want someone to back me up. I could put somebody else's extension number there. In this case, I've got my app there. My app extension number is 1938. If you don't know what yours is, ask your administrator, or if you're an administrator, go hunt it down in the extension programming underneath devices. Okay, so I've done that. And I go with 24 seconds. Default is 20. I like the extra 4 seconds. It kind of makes it work better. Again, it'll ring both of those for about 4 or 5 rings, and then it goes to my voicemail. I like that. That's my favorite setup. All right. Be sure to click save and then push out the big save changes here. That's that part. Now, if we go back to the screen here and we go to speed dials, click on speed dials, you'll see what I have on my phone here. I've got different kinds set up. Anything that says line is somebody else's number in the phone system in your office. If it's got a 10-digit number, it's going to be a number that's ringing outside the building. Okay. You've got all these choices. The particular phone I have, Yealink T54W, has 24 speed dials, but really only has 20 because the first several are gone. But I can add one. There's none here. I can add a number. I can find somebody down here underneath my extension list. It can be another person in another office even. if you've got multiple locations, or I can do add, I can go down underneath application and add a number here. Or the simplest thing to do is add custom number. I can label it and then put the number I want to use there. Hit save, test numbers in there, and I'd hit save here and push it out, give it a minute or two. And if you notice, this is after making changes to this page, please remember to save the changes and reboot your phone. So once you've pushed it, wait about a minute, then go to your phone and reboot it. That could just be unplugging it from the wall and plugging it back in. On my Yealink T54W and most Yealinks, right above the volume key is an X button. Just simply hold that X button down for about 5 seconds. It'll ask you, do you want to reboot? Say yes. The phone will reboot in about 30 seconds, and that button will will now appear on your phone. The phone will download a new config file. It'll update it, and boom, you have the new button on your phone. One thing I did think about here, real quick, going back to Find Me, Follow Me. When I do the Find Me, Follow Me, and I do my app 1938, what I do is a lot of times now I've make it to where when people are going to use this, I will pre-program this up. Then in their app, their Sangoma Talk app, you can go on and hit the green button where your name is on your app, and we'll do a video on that. And you can slide it and put it in Do Not Disturb mode. So you can have this pre-set up to ring your extension and your app, but it doesn't work until you go into your app, click on your green name, the icon, and then slide it over to from Do Not Disturb to being working. And so if it's a winter, it's icy or whatever, for whatever reason you're away from the office and you want your extension rings, you want your app to ring, you can just go under your app and turn it on. So it's kind of good to have this pre-set up ahead of time. All right. Any questions, let me know. You can email us at the help desk. That's helpdesk@shotrok.com, shotrok.com.